Are you tired of starting from zero, late nights, no customers, and constant fear your idea might just flop? Well, what if you could skip that startup graveyard and buy a business that's already making money? Today, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap to follow to find, vet, fund your first deal without getting burned. Stick with me because in the next 7 minutes, you're going to get where to find hidden gem businesses and not from Craigslist, how to spot red flags before you lose a dime, financing tricks most buyers have never even heard of, and how to negotiate like a shark and close in weeks. No fluff, just the system. I've helped dozens of buyers avoid six-figure disasters by spotting fake profits, hidden debts, and overpriced deals before they even sign. I've seen disaster buyers who have skipped the due diligence, did not follow the system, and they've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. I don't want that for you. And that's why I am pulling back the curtain today to show you 4 steps on how to prevent it. The first step is to find the opportunities. First, hunt smart, right? Forget random Facebook ads. Go to bizbuysell.com, which is the Zillow of businesses, Flippa, which is for online stores, local business brokers in your city, and also the city's Chamber of Commerce. Y'all know I love the Chamber of Commerce. Look for 2 to 3x your budget. At least 2 years of a profitable business. A tired owner who is motivated to sell, and they might drop the price pretty quickly. Look for boomers who are ready to sell because they have no family to give their business they built to. Here's a pro tip, right? Message 10 business owners a week. Only 1 in 10 will reply, but that's gonna be your pipeline. I'm gonna give you an example of that. A friend of mine was looking to buy a business, and he didn't care where he had to go to buy this particular business because he knew it was profitable. And he wrote letters, emails, to all these owners in these different cities to buy that particular business. And you know what? It worked. He bought it and moved. Now, step 2, due diligence. Now, vet like your life depends on it, because you know what? Your wallet really does. Ask for 3 years worth of profit and loss statements, tax returns. Look at customer reviews. See if they have an online presence. Do they have a cool website? See what people are saying on Google about them. Look at the details in the lease. Visit unannounced. I cannot say that enough. Go to the business unannounced several times. Chat with the employees. Hire you an accountant or an advisor to sniff out hidden debt or fake revenue. Let me tell you something. One bad lease could be instant failure, so you better catch it now. Step 3, financing. You don't need $1 million in the bank. Option 1 is seller financing. 50 to 70% of deals are done this way. They fund you and you pay them out of the monthly profits. Option 2 is SBA loan, right? Up to $5 million, 10% down, government backed. Option 3 is 401k rollover. Use your retirement funds, tax-free, no penalties, to invest in this business. Now, I gotta tell you, this is the most risky because you could lose your retirement. So you gotta be extremely careful on this one. If you invest the entire amount of your retirement into the business, you better make sure it's gonna work. Start with what you have and scale with cash flow. Step 4, negotiate and close. Offer 10 to 20% below asking price, always. Always add contingencies like subject to clean books. Sweeten with an earnout, right? I'll pay you extra if the business revenue hits X number of dollars next year. And always give them incentive that you're going to close quickly and close in 30 and 60 days, right? And from day 1, you own a cash flowing machine if you follow the system. Listen, join Firewatch Business Lab on School right now. The link is in the description. It's 100% free. That's where I'm teaching you how to buy a business. There's tools in there, one-on-one calls, live question and answers, and we're going to give you step-by-step instruction on how to buy your first business or your 3rd business or your 10th business. But we're going to help you out so you don't get messed up. So come with your questions and I will answer them live. I will answer them. A person who has done it many times before, and I know it works. I worked with a gentleman wanting to buy a franchise. Now, this franchise was super popular in California. He wanted to leave his sales job and run this franchise. I got with him and we quickly sat down and ran through some numbers. The cost of the lease, the capital investment, in the equipment that he was going to have to purchase, the amount of the franchise fee and the percentage that they're going to take every year. And we looked at the customers needed, and we determined with an average industry of churn of those customers, how that would affect his cash flow. And you know what? It turned out there was no way. No, he couldn't even cash flow the operations, not to mention replace his salary. Plus he wanted to hire a manager to run it. It was impossible. Not possible at all. I guarantee you, I saved him hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's not luck, it's a system. So now it's your turn. Click in the link below, join Firewatch Business Lab on School, and I will help you buy a business so that you have a business and not a 24/7 job. What business would you buy tomorrow? Let's help you get the keys, and I will see you in the lab. Now, if you want to know the #1 mistake people are making when buying a business, watch this video next. See you in the lab.